pool, sir, out of which 8 are in our rental pool. When I say rental pool means something that we can rent out to our guests as well. 19 are private residences. So we don't.
19, okay.
Yes, sir. So they're spread over both the hills, South Hill as well as North Hill. The one that we will be seeing now,
So name North Hill.
we would be in the North Hill, correct?
North Hill one.
The one in North Hill, yes. That's what we're heading to.
So now very good weather.
Fantastic weather, it just opened up. But December is ideally a rainy period.
But this look like, but really not all day.
The beg your pardon, sir?
No, I already 1 week there.
Oh, okay.
And before 3 days only sun.
Only
So no rain.
that's right.
And a few days rain, just like 10 minutes.
In November, we saw a complete entire month. It was all sunny. There was no rain.
So now you never know what is the weather.
It's very difficult to predict. Being
And this means you need to go for low season. Because price is cheap, temperature, weather maybe very good.
right.
High season you pay already a lot,
No,
but
it's
maybe even.
so it's like it's a tropical destination. So the weather can change so easily.
No, but because if sun always skin is gone.
Skin is gone. The leaves start to turn yellow. There's no water. We need rain as well. Water. This is the North Hills.
You have also different entrance to residence.
So not really, because the residences are on this side as well. So you have the same entrance. It's just that the roads diverge into two parts. I will show that to you as well.
Okay, so all residence was sold before.
So, a few of them are still with us. Most of them are sold to private residents. So at times,
What is the highest price?
I'm not aware of that. Sir.
What is the most expensive residence in Dubai?
In
Dubai.
yes, definitely. In terms of rentals, yes. But in terms of offering also, they're quite unique. Currently, we don't see any offerings like this because these are quite extensive and they're built like homes. So,
And then you have Four Seasons as service.
and the service is by Four Seasons, so definitely, sir. So we are entering. So when you enter, this is the welcome pavilion. This is where we welcome
for
our
residents.
groups. No, not really, sir. It can be. It's usually for groups and larger gatherings.
For groups.
And residences, ideally, they directly go to the residences. Now, this is the North Hill Drive.
So you have more than 50 hectares, right?
I beg your pardon?
More than 50 hectares. in total.
182 acres.
180.
Acres, yes.
So very good smell.
All the fresh cotton, right? How's been your stay, sir? Has it been good?
Almost fine.
Lovely.
So what is this?
So this is the residence's entrance, sir. Here we are. Hi. Is it open now? Yes. All of the rooms? Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
So you have one residence and then could be different rooms.
Beg your pardon, sir?
One residence, few different bedroom.
Sir, completely different. So all the residences, the layouts are very different. Because of the rains, you would not see the setup outside, but we wanted to show you. This residence is not set up for arrival but I believe you had told Maria yesterday that you would like to see,
Yeah.
and hence we are here.
No, more important just understand
Absolutely.
space.
No, absolutely. You see, we get a 20-meter pool in this particular one. All the residences have very large pools. You have an outdoor seating area as well as a dining area. So it's more of a relaxation area. Now, this is a 3-bedroom villa. So you would have 2 bedrooms on this side, and then you have the master bedroom
So
here.
3-bedroom residence.
Correct, sir. We'd have the master bedroom here and the 2 other bedrooms here. But before that, I could. One moment, sir.
You have garden there.
Yes, sir. Garden all around. We can proceed to have a look at one of the bedrooms, sir.
So go down.
Yeah, yes, sir. I'm trying to. I think my team did not. I think they did not realize I had asked them to open the rooms. I think this is where we have the living room and the dining room, right on top. And this one comes with its own private gym as well here. Now, once we open this, we can open the other ways as well. Please be careful with your steps. The bedrooms actually enjoy a lot of privacy, and they're not just meant like attached to the main living area. So all the guests who live here enjoy a certain amount of privacy, while at the same time they also have access to the public areas. You can bring in your shoes, sir. No problem.
Okay.
So this is the master bedroom. Now I must tell you, sir, the bedrooms can differ completely because they're private residences.
Ну да, anyone can do what they want.
Absolutely. So this is like the living space, and then you've got the bedroom.
So this could be very good.
Yes, it's a fantastic view. Allow me to open that thing.
Так, so you have.
They were doing some repair work, and I had asked them to, because that's why I said, sir, this actually couch is outside. Yes,
Okay.
they had put it in because I had told them I would like to show you. This is currently not being occupied right now.
What is the, I see, special designs.
So this is not an arrival room, I must mention. Arrival room would be set up differently.
So super view from bathtub.
Bathroom as well as the room.
No, look like very good.
Yes, so this is a master bedroom. This is fairly larger. The other bedrooms could be slightly smaller. But again, as I mentioned, because they're residents, they're all a bit different sized and different style.
So it's a fantastic mountain. So granite formation. Very beautiful.